I have a decent looking spreadsheet under construction here, but the first thing I'm going to do today is clean up a few problems and issues that I've discovered with the spreadsheet that would help make it a little bit easier to read and a little bit more professional looking. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to slide the A column back so I've got a nice lineup between the name of the variable and the actual data that consists of the variable. So you notice how I did this. Now I can really get fancy here if I want to, and I can actually slide these over so that they fit on the right justified, and so they line up perfectly. Item number 2 is I'm simply going to move my whole graph over a little further, because what's going to happen this morning is I'm going to use columns C and D to calculate the marginal physical product and the average physical product for nitrogen fertilizer. And this is going to get a little bit tricky, but hang with me. The third thing I'm going to do is I've been looking at my old textbooks, and I've noticed that in my old textbooks I didn't use the number 0.0044, but I used the number 0.0042. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in this new number, and maybe, just maybe, we'll see some changes in the corn yield column as well as changes in the graph. So watch what happens when I do this. Yes. Notice that I've got slightly smaller numbers, in fact quite a bit smaller numbers, just by making that minor change in the parameters. Now I could get fancier still and say, now that I've got parameters or numbers that go only up to about 140 here, I could actually change this axis. I click on the axis, and then I go to the format axis page, and I say, goodness, let me put 140 in as a replacement for 160. And lo and behold, I get this really nice looking axis now, and really nice looking chart and graph. I'm going to end this video right now, and then we're going to move on to what will be part 4. What will be part 4 of the video, which will calculate the marginal and average product.